Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 steering wheel, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the battery and waiting 5 minutes to clear airbag power. Remove the center airbag carefully and unplug connectors, then mark the wheel position relative to the shaft. Use a 32mm socket to remove the main nut and a puller to remove the wheel if needed. Transfer switches and horn, align marks, torque to spec, reconnect, and test controls. Before you start, lay out all tools and read your vehicle manual for torque values and airbag precautions. Confirm battery is disconnected and do not touch airbag pins. Remove trim pieces gently and keep fasteners labeled so reassembly is straightforward. A puller makes wheel removal safer and prevents hub damage. Work methodically, keep a clean workspace, and speak aloud each step if it helps you stay organized and confident during the job. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support future repair videos and quick tips. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof containers for lunches while working in the garage. They keep sauces in check and make cleanup easy. Check the description for the product link and other deals to see what I use. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start removal by taking photos of connector positions and wheel alignment for reference. Release airbag clips, unplug connectors, and set the airbag aside face up. Remove the center nut with the correct socket and use a puller if needed to avoid damage. Transfer wiring, clock springs, and controls to the new wheel, align the marks precisely, torque the main nut to specified value, reconnect everything, and test horn and switches before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.